Hello everyone, welcome back to the Real Car Coding Job series on the Car Diagnostic software channel. Today's job is done on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 907. The customer has replaced the active brake assist radar module. When the ABA radar is replaced, the new control unit is not matched to the vehicle. Without proper coding, the system disables active brake assist for safety reasons. That's why the vehicle shows active brake assist function limited C on the instrument cluster. In this video, I'll show you how we fix this issue by coding the radar step by step. This job is done by professionals. Don't try it yourself if you don't have proper coding knowledge. In this job, I'm using SD Connect C4 and Xentry DTS Monaco software. If you need tools or remote coding support, feel free to contact us via WhatsApp. And now, let's start it. Step 1. Unlock EZS and FCW. At this stage, we unlock both the EZS and the FCW control unit. Step 2. Coding data FCW. Once the modules are unlocked, we proceed with coding the FCW module. Here, the correct vehicle-specific data is written to ensure proper communication between the radar and other control units. Step 3. Reset FCW module. After coding is completed, we reset the FCW module. This allows the new coding values to be applied correctly. Step 4. Clear DTCs and FCW. Next, we clear all diagnostic trouble codes stored in the FCW module. This ensures no old or temporary faults remain in memory. Step 5. Open Xentry and run quick test. Now we open Xentry and perform a full quick test. This step confirms that all control units are communicating properly and no new faults are detected. Step 6. ABA calibration. Finally, we select the ABA control unit and start the calibration process. This step is critical. It ensures the radar is aligned correctly and operates within Mercedes-Benz specifications. Once calibration is complete, the active brake assist system is fully restored. After coding and calibration, the warning message is gone, and active brake assist is working normally again. This completes the radar replacement setup on the Sprinter 907. If you're dealing with radar replacement, coding issues, and need professional remote support, feel free to contact us via WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more real-world coding jobs. See you in the next video.